Hey everybody,
Hi,
welcome back. And for this one, we are going to draw
Steve.
Steve. What do we need, Izzy?
We paper, marker, and crayon.
Paper, markers, and crayons or coloring pencils. Here we go.
Yep.
Okay, so we're going to did you get marker on your hands? So we're starting just here in the middle. Leave some space for the head. We're going to start with the shoulders. So we're just going to draw a line straight across.
You
Mm-hmm.
think my marker has some?
What's wrong? Is it a bit dirty? The tip?
No, it is.
Oh, because of the shape, yeah, the chisel tip, you got the special marker going there. Okay, then a line from that point down, just over there. And another one on this side, just over there. And we'll bring this line in, as well as the other one on the other side. Just like that. Okay. Then along that point, we're going to draw a line down there and down there. Steve is a very simple drawing. So, now, and another one down there. Try to keep it equal height. I'll make a bit taller on that side.
Yep.
We're going to finish it off at the bottom here. And I'm going to draw another line over there. Just to make his shoes show up a bit.
Okay.
Then over here, I'm just going to do another line till there. Close that off. And that side as well. And now we need to draw like little block lines to make it look like pixels. So we're going to go with a line down, small line down here, and a small line down there. Let's see. And we're going to go in on either side, 90 degrees. Yeah. And another one down, and another one down there. And across again. And here in the midsection, we do another line. And now we have Steve's square body.
Yep.
Minecraft style. So now we're gonna make this drawing slightly more complex. We're gonna draw his head at an angle. You ready for this? So over here, we're gonna put his head off center. So the line of his chin, from there till about there, till the end of a collar bit. Got it?
Yep.
Then a diagonal line down there and another one down there. Can you see? We're looking at an angle here. Okay, so now a line not quite straight up but slightly slanted to the right. So watch this, slightly skew that way. And another one this side, parallel to that one, so same angle as this line. And we can look those two over there. And now, the side of his head, just do that over there. Got it?
Yep.
And we bring it down, the same angle as these two lines. So let's just hold it. Yeah. So we've got Steve's head. And now, we just a little touch of the line out there, and at the same time on the other side. Got it?
Yep.
And then there is easy line. Like that.
And then it become my.
So now lower from that midline, we come a bit lower here and we draw small bit there and we go up. This is how your hairline follows you here. And we go across. Same angle as this line over here.
Yep.
go down and we step, and we go down and step all the way back. Got it? So now, the rest of this I would have loved to do with. Are we going to do it with the marker, or are we going to do it with color? We have to do it with the marker. Okay, so down and down. We've got that.
Yep.
And look here. So one step in, down, and so like a goatee, like a little beard thing. You saw the trailer? The Minecraft movie that's coming up? Yep, you did. Okay, and now I'm doing another rectangle on top of that, just like that.
Yep.
And now, just above that, we're gonna do wide rectangles. And that's Steve's eyes.
Yep.
You got that? Or did you make the line between? I'm gonna make my line with color. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
We've got our Steves from Minecraft.
Yep.
So all squares.
Yep.
Here we go. Add some color. So we need turquoise. We're going with one of these again. Teal, turquoise, teal, and a darker blue. And that's another darker blue over here. And he's got grey shoes and dark brown hair. So that's our colors, everybody.
Yep.
And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's how Steve from Minecraft. So easy. When is this movie coming out? Do you know?
Well, it coming out on April 4th of 2025.
April 4th, 2025. Okay, so it's a long while away still. Yeah, so we can maybe draw more Minecraft characters. Maybe a Minecraft sheep or something.
Keeper.
Or creeper, you could we could do a creeper as well.
I remember a long time until I make a dad make it short, but I'm drawing Keeper.
I'm with a sword and you with a creeper. Short with a creeper.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I remember that one. Yeah, we have a short with a creeper. Yeah, that's good.
And other video game character.
Video game character?
Yeah.
Yeah, we do all those. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good
And have fun.
and have fun.
Bye.
Bye.